Don't wait until it's too late. Carbon monoxide kills quietly. Most victims never see it coming. A leaky appliance or blocked vent is all it takes. That's why every home needs a CO detector. The Kidde plug-in carbon monoxide detector is America's top-reviewed model, trusted by thousands of families. It's easy to test. Installs in seconds, keeps protecting, even during power outages. Click below to order. You'll be redirected to Amazon. And your support helps fund safety videos and homeowner guides at no cost to you. Yes, peace of mind for pennies a day. Don't wait. Visit dirtconnectionstore.com now.